received a request to do a brow tutorial because you guys want to know how I do my brows, so I'm gonna dedicate this video strictly to that. I do not get my brows done at all. I don't get them waxed, tweezed, plucked, none of that. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I'm able to still perfect the perfect brow without any grooming done. I do have like lash glue on my lid, so I am going to be cleaning that off before I get started. All I do to clean my lash glue off is take some alcohol, a Q-tip. You're going to be careful because if the alcohol gets in your eye, then it's obviously going to burn like crazy. So just take your time when you're doing this step. Alright, so now that I've removed my lash glue, I'm going to go ahead and get started on my brows. First, I'm going to take a spoolie so that I can brush my brow hairs in the direction that I want them to go. I'm going to be taking this pomade, and this is in the color black. On the other end of this spoolie is an angled brush, and this is what I use to fill in my brows. When I do my brows, I start at the base, and I draw a line, just following my natural brow shape. And I will go to the top and fill the top in just like I did the bottom. This is the part where you would determine how arched or sharp you want your brow to be. I typically like to go for more of like a dramatic arched brow, so I like to take mine up just a little bit more, and then I connect both lines here at the bottom. As you guys can see, I made a mistake, but don't worry about that too much because we're going to clean it up in a minute. Start from the center and fill in the tail that way. And the reason why I do this is because I don't want the front of my brow to be too bold. Then brush through the rest of the brow so that it can be evenly distributed. And voila. I'll go ahead and do the same exact thing to the other brow. The concealer that I'm using is by LA Colors in the shade Honey Beige. Just like that, you guys. And we're gonna do the same thing to the top. You can get a little bit closer, but you want to be careful because you don't want the concealer and I'm just going to take a brush and go ahead and blend the product out. All the hairs here that weren't tweezed kind of got blended in with the concealer, so you can't even tell that my eyebrows haven't been groomed. Go ahead and do the same thing to the other brow. So this is the finished look. I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.